In English, you say my book, your house, his car, every time you need a separate word like my, your, or his. But spoken Arabic works differently. Instead of adding another word, native speakers simply change the end of the noun. One small ending can completely change the meaning. Today we'll learn one of the most useful patterns in spoken Arabic. We will learn my, you, male, female, his, her, our, your, plural, their, using only the end of the noun. Let's start with the most common one. To say my, we usually add ya to the end of the noun. For example, bait, baiti, my house. Baiti, ktabi, ktabi, سيارتي. The ending ya tells us that the noun belongs to me. Now let's see how to say your. To say your, we usually add kaf to the end of the noun. كتابك, kaf, كتابك. بيتك, your house. سيارتك, your car. The letter kaf tells us your. Now let's see how to say your female. To say your female, we usually add kaf to the end of the noun, but listen carefully. The most important thing is that the letter before kaf always takes a kasra. The kasra sounds like a short E in English. So listen carefully. كتابك with kasra. كتابك. بيتك. بيتك. سيارتك. سيارتك. Small e under the letter before kaf. And now let's talk about someone else. To say his, we add waw to the end of the noun. كتابه. كتابه, his book. بيته. بيته, his house. سيارته. The letter waw tells us his. What if you are talking about a woman? Her. We add ha. كتابها. Her book. كتابها. بيتها. سيارتها. The ending ha tells us her. Now let's include ourselves. To say our, we add na. كتابنا. كتابنا. بيتنا, our house. سيارتنا, our car. The ending na tells us our. Now let's talk to more than one person. You, plural. To say your when speaking to a group, we add kun, kaf wa noon. كتاب kun. بيت kun. سيارة kun. The ending kun tells us your, plural. And finally, let's learn how to say there. To say there, we add ha wa mim, hum. كتابهم. بيتهم. سيارتهم. The ending هم وميم tells us there. وين كتابك؟ وين كتابك؟ كتابي بالبيت. هاي سيارتها. هاي سيارتها. لا، هاي سيارته. وين بيتكن؟ بيتنا قريب من هون. Now you know one of the most useful patterns in spoken Arabic. Instead of using separate words like my, your, or his, native speakers simply change the ending of the noun. Once you master these endings, you will understand and speak spoken Arabic much more naturally. See you in the next lesson.